Hi, and thank you for coming. If you're here, I presume you found out about this website and this report that I'm willing to send out to you and email to you from my Facebook group called Repossessed Houses for Sale. So thank you for being here. I'm going to make this super simple. This website is purely only about getting you this report. So off to the right, or which way, off to the left, off to the right, you'll see a form. So please just fill in your name, your email address. Give me your proper email address because this is the way I send this report to you, and I'll zip this report right out to you. In the report, it's a simple report, but in the report, I talk about 5 techniques that myself and other successful real estate investors are using right now in today's market, and they are working. These techniques are working. They're simple techniques. There's nothing fancy about them necessarily. Some of them might be techniques that you're not aware of, but there are some hacks and some little tricks to make these techniques really work well. And I basically talk about that in the report. So it's a quick read of a report, and it gets straight to the point. There's no fluff in there. I just want to give you straight tactics that are working right now. So please put in your name, your email address, and I'll get this information zipped over right to you. And just check your email inbox, and you'll have the report. All right. Thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoy the techniques and start using them immediately. Thanks.